बहावलपुर का एक और नुमाया नाम ज़हूर नसर। ये पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले उर्दू के नामवर तरक्की पसंद शायर और सहाफ़ी थे।
Council and all the guests of honor, please welcome Honorable Engineer Muhammad Badikur Rahman, our Chief Guest and former Chancellor of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Rana Muhammad Tariq, Professor Dr. Muhammad Ramzan, Vice Chancellor, Emerson University, Multan, Professor Dr. Saeed Guzdar, Vice Chancellor, Al University, Bhaskar, Professor Dure Shehwar, ex-principal, Dubai Mahal College, Bahawalpur, and she is the respected teacher of our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, Dr. Ghulam Ali, Director Campus, Yale University, Sayyid Tabish Alwari, ex-parliamentarian and ex-MPA. Moreover, he was an ex-syndicate member of Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum.
Madam, please, आप ठीक है।
जहाँ जलते हैं पर जिब्रील के आका, वहाँ तुम हो। तुम्हें ज़बान तुम महबूबे रब्बे दो जहां तुम हो।
I would request the Registrar of Government Sadiq College, Women's University, Bahawalpur, Dr. Saima Anjum, to request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
Honorable Governor of Punjab and Chancellor of Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Sardar Salim Haider Khan, in exercise of the powers conferred upon him under Section 82 of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Act 2012, is pleased to nominate Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, to preside over third convocation of the university. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madam, I request you to declare the convocation open.
Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur. I declare the convocation open.
Thank you, Madam.
The Controller of Examination, Dr. Sayyida Tahmina Ijaz, to request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to allow the Deans to present their candidates.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madam, please allow the Deans to present their candidates.
Power vested in me by the Chancellor, I allow the candidates to be presented for the conferment of the degree.
Dr. Ishfaq Mahmood Qureshi to present the candidates.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present to you the candidate whose particulars have been set forth in the scroll of convocation and who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified in BS in Chemistry. Please, student, rise from your seat. Master of Sciences in Chemistry and MS in Chemistry, BS in Mathematics, Master of Science in Mathematics and MS in Mathematics and PhD in Mathematics, BS in Botany, Master of Science in Botany, BS Zoology, MS Zoology, BS Physics, Master of Science in Physics, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of authority vested in me by the Honorable Chancellor of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, I admit you to the degree in respective subjects, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
Thank you, Madam.
I request Dean, Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, Professor Dr. Musarat Azhar, to present the candidates.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present to you the candidates whose particulars have been set forth in the scroll of convocation and who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified in BS in English, Masters of Arts in English and MS in English, Masters of Arts in Urdu, Masters of Arts in Islamic Studies, Bachelor of Fine Arts, BS Applied Psychology, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of authority vested in me by the Chancellor of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, I admit you to the degree in respective subjects, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
Thank you.
Of Business and Management Sciences, Professor Dr. Amna Noor, to present the candidates.
By virtue of authority vested in me by the Chancellor of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, I admit you to the degree in respective subjects, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree. Thank you.
I request the Dean Faculty of Education, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sadiq, to present the candidates.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present to you the candidates whose particulars have been set forth in the scroll of the convocation and who have been certified after examination
यार आप यहाँ से
to
ना
be
फोन
duly
किया करो ना, जब मेरा
qualified
सर आ रहा है मैं
in
बार बार कैसे नहीं छोड़ रहा।
BS in Education,
उस तरफ से घुमा
Master
देना
of
ना।
Arts in Education, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
जब आप देख लेंगे
By virtue of authority vested in me, Sri Bahawalpur, I admit you to the degree in respective subjects, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the.
I request Mr. Jalil Ahmed, Deputy Controller of Examinations, Government Sadiq College, Women University, to present the scroll to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, for signature.
ठीक है और ठीक है
Role in the development and progress of any institution. The Honorable Vice Chancellor, the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum is a person with vision, ability and experience. Dr. Anjum is a distinguished chemist and academic leader. Her innovative work in natural products, chemistry, and environmental sustainability has garnered prestigious honors such as the Third World Academy of Sciences Young Chemist Award, the Muhtarma Fatma Jinnah Medal, and the Presidential Award Azaz Kamal. She is one of the few persons in this region who are determined to create an environment of research in its true spirit. It is only because of her endless efforts that the Government Sadiq College Women University Bahawalpur has captured the attention of the parents as well as the students. And the number of students has risen over 6,000. Needless to say, this all reflects her excellent academic, research background, administration experience, and broad vision. I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, to come and say a few words.
Worthy Chief Guest, Engineer Muhammad Libur Rahman, respected Professor Dure Shehwar, Professor Dr. Muhammad Ramzan, Vice Chancellor, Emerson University Multan, Professor Dr. Saeed Ahmed, Vice Chancellor, Thal University Bhakkar, Professor Dr. Ghulam Ali, Director, Air University Multan Campus, honorable guests, proud parents, and my very dear graduating students, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a historic day, not only in the life of our young graduating students, but also in the history of the Government Sadiq College, Women University, Bahawalpur. Your Excellency, your presence at the third convocation of our university speaks volumes of your passionate commitment to the cause of education and especially to women education and empowerment. Sir, we are extremely grateful to you for keeping your promise when there are extremely important issues of national significance which need your time and attention. Ladies and gentlemen, we at the Government Sadiq College, Women University, strive hard to reach beyond traditional academic boundaries and embrace new and collaborative methods of teaching, learning, research, and services in an inclusive environment. Our guiding values are to embody a spirit of interdisciplinary curiosity, research, innovation, entrepreneurship, and application to change and improve ourselves, our community, and our world. Our audit department is making concerted efforts to enhance research, foster community collaboration, and improve our university ranking. In pursuit of these goals, our faculties actively organize international conferences, workshops, seminars, webinars, and industrial expo to provide our students with opportunities to engage with academia and industry alike. Sir, the Government Sadiq College Women University is providing quality education from BS to PhD levels in various disciplines with subsidized fee, almost 1/3 as compared to the other universities of this region. Many of our students are first generation students, and we are fully aware that life transformed by education has the potential to affect generations. In this respect, this university is the only hope for the socially, culturally, or financially constrained young women of this region. Here we aim to empower women in their right to live in peace, be treated with dignity, have equality of opportunity, and be educated. We strive to put some wind beneath these wings as they continue the steep climb of their quest for excellence. Respected guests, academic and research collaborations within and outside the country are also part of the vision of this university. Accordingly, we had established Directorate of Student Affairs, Directorates of Financial Aid and Scholarships, Directorate of Sports, Directorate of Planning and Development, Quality Enhancement Cell, Office of Research and Innovation, Directorate of External Linkages, Career Counseling Center, Women Development Center. Some of the on-campus facilities being given to our students include computer labs, science labs, and data lab, library, co-curricular activities through different societies and clubs. Ladies and gentlemen, a 4-storied academic block has been successfully completed, which would double our classroom and lab facilities, and it will accommodate more than 4,000 students in near future. We are also looking forward to work on the purpose-built campus in near future. We have already started new programs like biotechnology, food science and technology. Keeping on view the national goals and needs of this region, we also aim to focus on certain areas in the field of science and engineering like public health, nanotechnology, renewable energy, and genetic engineering, environmental sciences, allied health sciences including public health, human nutrition, dietetics, physical therapy and medical lab technology, nursing, pharmacy, and law. Currently, there are about 7,000 students enrolled in the seat of learning. We, however, receive more than 10,000 applications each year for our BS, MS, and PhD programs. Due to space limitations, we can only admit around 1,500 students annually, but we remain committed to explore new opportunities for infrastructure expansion to accommodate a greater number of aspiring future leaders. Before I conclude, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to proud recipients of degrees and medals as well as to their families. This moment is a testament to their hard work, determination, and commitment to excellence. Your perseverance has brought you to this well-earned success. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Engineer Mohammad Baligur Rahman, our esteemed Vice Chancellors, and our distinguished guests for gracing this occasion with their presence and for their unwavering support in our mission to empower students, faculty, and administrative staff. To the graduates, as you step into the next chapter of your journey, remember, years from now, as you look back on life crossroads, know that choice you have made will define your tomorrow. Take the road less traveled and may it lead you to the greatness. May you continue to make your alma mater, your families and your country proud. Congratulations again, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. Thank you.
I request the Honorable Chief Guest, Engineer Mohammad Baligur Rahman, the worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shazia Anjum, and the Dean Faculty of Sciences, Professor Dr. Ishfaq Mahmood, to award the degrees to the qualified PhDs of Government Sadiq College Women University. I invite Farheen Gul, along the supervisor Dr. Ghazala Nazir, to receive the degree of PhD in Mathematics. Education, Ikra Ijaz, MS Botany, Zainab Aslam, MSc Chemistry, Sana Pyar.
यार ये देखो इसमें ऊपर क्या है आपको यार ये क्या दिया हमारे इसमें हमारा कुछ जूम वाला नहीं
MSc Chemistry, Sana Pyar, MSc Physics, Mehrul Nisar, MSc Mathematics Chemistry, Amiza Tahir, MS Zoology, Ansar Shaheen, MS Islamic Studies, Navida Khanam, MS Urdu, Mujahida Anwar, MA Urdu, Asma Salim, MA English, Farwa Malik, MA Islamic Studies, Ruqayya Tirmizi, MSc in Applied Psychology, Mehwish Sarfaraz, MSc Economics, Jumna Javed, MCS Bushra Bibi, MA Education, Faida Ismail, MS Mathematics, Urfa Aslam, MS Chemistry, Behab Fatma, MS Zoology, Shaista Jabin, MSc Chemistry, Musarat Batul, MSc Botany, Urud Unain, MSc Physics, Farida Amin, MSc Mathematics,
थोड़ा सा अपने लेफ्ट
Memuna Riaz.
Thank you. Thank you.
MS Islamic Studies, Hafiza Maha Gul, MS Urdu, Hafsa Khan, MA Urdu, Ikra Mushtaq, MA English, Itrat Zahra, MA Islamic Studies, Tuba Hashmi,
Thank you.
MSc Applied Psychology, Shazia Khadim, MSc Economics, Shanwar Shafiq, MSc MCS Nimra Nasir, MA Education Sara Ahmed, MS Chemistry Sobia Makbul, MS Mathematics Sana Rashid, MS Zoology Momin Liaquat, MSc Chemistry.
Yes, Samne. Thank you.
MSc Chemistry Ikra Aslam, MSc Mathematics Saima Bibi, MSc Botany Tasmiya Sattar, MSc Physics Maryam Musharraf.
Samne. Thank you. Samne. Thank you. Yes, Samne. Thank you.
BS Chemistry Farwa Amjad, BS Botany Aruj Fatma, BS Economics Sabah Mushtaq, BS Computer Science Anika Rahman, BS IT Aqsa Muzammil, BBS Sana Khan, BS English Somia Nishad, Bachelor of Fine Arts Manahil Yaqub, BS Psychology Tayyaba Zulfar, BS Education Binish Farwa, BS Chemistry
Thank you.
Sadaf Rashid, BS Physics Nimra Iram, BS Mathematics Sophia Khan, BS Zoology Sabah Ashraf, BS Botany Laiba Rahman, BS Economics Komal Aruj,
Thank you.
BS CS Shabnam Zubair, BS IT Rida Tahir, BBA Mishane Fatma, BS English Askar Sehrish, Bachelor of Fine Arts Alina Fatma, BS Applied Psychology Aisha Afzal, BS Education Aisha Salim,
Yes, sir. Thank you. Samne.
BS Chemistry Aisha Ihsan, BS Physics Zunaira Bilal, BS Mathematics Sayyida Asma Kamal,
Okay.
BS Zoology Rabia Akram, BS Botany Ikra Aslam,
Yes, sir. Samne. Yes, ma'am.
BS Economics Samra Naveed,
मैम प्लीज
मैम सामने देखिएगा प्लीज.
BS
Sir,
CS
yes.
Madhya Amin,
Thank you, sir.
BS IT Ikra,
Yes, सामने sir.
सर सामने देखिए.
Sir, इधर सामने. Please. Thank you.
Sahiba Anwar BBA,
Yes, सामने. Thank you.
BS English Zoha Najib,
Okay, सामने. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, जी. Thank you. मैं दो ले रहा हूँ. Yes, सामने. Thank you.
कितना कुछ सिखाओ
जी. Thank you.
सही ताकि तुम तो काली 50 कलेक्ट नहीं हो क्यों तुम
सब सेम थोड़ी. ओके, सामने.
ओ यार
Thank you, जी.
छोड़ दो जैसे बंदे का चेहरा जो जितना खड़ा हुआ है ना बस वो को याद रखिए.
सामने प्लीज. थैंक यू जी.
उन्हें बंदे में सारे मजा डाल लगा
जी. थैंक यू.
यार ये है जो नहीं होना.
चलो तुम जी उत्तर डाउन लैंड के बारे
जी. सामने. थैंक यू.
मेरे मुंह ताने लगी गई गत्ते.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू. मैम आप थोड़ा सा आगे. यस इधर. यस सामने.
लाला.
थैंक यू. ओह सॉरी.
वो देगा.
थैंक यू. ऐसा एनीथिंग इतना ओके.
हाँ ठीक है.
थैंक यू.
देखो ना तारी यो मसले बताएं सारी मौज है रूम करे तो जितना मर्जी फिक्स में वाले यो मौज है.
ओके मैम.
चलो ये सारा
थैंक यू मैम.
गली बनवा
ये भी पढ़ गई. ओके. यस रेडी. यस मैम. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. सर इनका कैमरा है थोड़ा उधर. भाई का ख्याल रखना है. क्लोज हो जाओ तुम बेटा. थैंक यू. वेट जी. थैंक यू. कुछ बड़ी अच्छा ये दे बंद होगी. यस सामने. थैंक यू. निशान नहीं. निशान फिक्स हो. थैंक यू. यस सामने मैम. थैंक यू. इधर सामने. सर थैंक यू. No, no. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you.
BS English Zoha Najib, Bachelor of Fine Arts, MN Mukhtiar, BS Psychology, Savera Afzal, BS Education, Bushra Hafiz.
Thank you. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I request the Honorable Chief Guest and worthy Vice Chancellor to award the silver medal to outstanding graduates. MS Islamic Studies, Sehrish Rubab, MS Urdu, Ifra Naseem, MA Islamic Studies, Hafiza Mahagul, MA Urdu, Hina Iqbal, MSc in Applied Psychology, Misbah Chaudhary, MA English, Aman Yunus.
Ma'am, सामने. Thank you.
MCS
Thank you.
Aqsa, MSc Economics, Ghanwa Malik, MA Education,
Thank you.
Maryam Jalil, MSc Botany, Maryam Afzal, MSc Chemistry,
Thank you.
Shaista Mukhtar, MSc Physics, Somia Amjad, MSc Mathematics, Shehzadi Qasim,
Thank you.
MS Chemistry, Samreen Ehsan,
Okay.
MS Zoology, Asman Yamin, MS Islamic Studies, Saira Yusuf, MS Urdu,
Thank you.
Vidya Naseem, MA Urdu, Tehreem Asghar, MA English, Zuzaira Akram,
असद लाल लिहाज मारे हुए हैं।
MA Islamic Studies,
Thank you.
Mehak Sarfaraz, MSc in Applied Psychology, Fakhra Riaz,
Thank you.
MSc Economics, Malaika Zahra,
Sir, सामने.
MCS Farwa Maqsood,
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
MA Education, Mehreen Kareem,
सामने sir. Thank you. सामने. Thank you.
MS Mathematics, Hafiza Sana Mukhtar, MS Chemistry, Farha Zulfkar,
Thank you.
MS Zoology, Sidra Rashid,
सामने. Thank you. Thank you.
MSc Chemistry, Maria Amin, MSc Botany, Rabia Yusuf,
Thank you.
Anza Kahal, MSc Mathematics, Iram Shehzadi, MS Islamic Studies,
Thank you.
Abru Kulsum, MS Urdu, Mehreen Jahangir,
Thank you.
MA Urdu, Laiba Azhar, MA English,
Thank you.
Rashaba Amin, MA Islamic Studies, Hafiza Ummi Kulsum, MSc in Applied Psychology,
Thank you.
Ruxana Munir. MSc Economics, Rifat Rafiq.
Yeah, सामने.
MCS,
Thank you.
Shehla Qadir. MA Education,
सामने please.
Nusrat
Yes,
Parveen. MS Chemistry, Afshin Kamar. MS Mathematics, Bushra Akil. MS Zoology, Sana
सामने
Hayat.
please.
MSc Chemistry,
Thank you.
Samreen Mariam. MSc Mathematics,
आगे कैमरा है.
Dushwa Ishfaq. MSc Botany, Ikra Rafiq. MSc Physics, Natasha Habib.
Thank you.
BS Chemistry, Anmol Chaudhary. BS
Thank
Botany,
you.
Sadia Mubin. BS Economics, Muniba Hamid. BS Computer Science, Rafia Asad.
Thank you.
BS IT, Javeria Nazir. BBA Zahira Jahangir. BS English, Dua Mahmood.
Thank you.
BS Fine Arts, Aqsa Javed. BS Applied Psychology, Aisha Mariam. BS
Yes, ma'am,
Applied
सामने please.
Psychology, Aisha Mariam. BS Education, Malaika
सामने
Almaz.
please. Thank you.
BS Chemistry, Zainab Sattar. BS Physics, Kiran
Thank you.
Aslam. BS Mathematics, Ikra Ijaz.
Thank you.
BS Zoology, Sana Ashraf.
Thank you.
BS Botany, Sobia Insan. BS Economics, Ikra Khan.
Thank you.
BS CS, Shumaila Majid. BS IT, Sana Afzal.
Thank you. थोड़ा सा यार. कुछ थोड़ा देर अगर ठीक थोड़ा देर कर दो कैमरा.
BBA Vanna Asif. BS
वीडियो तो चल
English,
रहे ना.
Anam Chaudhary.
हिमा सर में वीडियो तो चल रहे हैं.
Bachelor of Fine Arts,
थोड़े फोटो यार बूम खेड़ यार.
Rutab Maqsood. BS Applied Psychology, Mariam Zia. BS Education, Alishwa Idris.
ओके हम स्टार्ट कर देंगे.
BS Chemistry,
और तारा हाथ
Namra
बेच आया ना सारी ग्राउंड लड़ाई थी
Sana
Okay, sir, okay.
Amin. BS
एक सेकंड.
Mathematics,
Thank you.
Namra Zulkarnain.
फोटो से यार.
BS Zoology, Asma Majid.
ओके सामने.
BS
Thank you.
Botany, Alia Ilyas.
ये देखो मैं इतना जब आंदा पिया.
BS Economics,
ये अपना प्रेमी हो
Ariba
गया.
Malik.
Thank you. ये बोल बोला लेकिन तो.
BS CS, Javeria Maqsood.
सामने
BS
please.
IT,
Thank you.
Mariam Fatma.
रुकना जैसे माइक में.
BBA Nazia Ramzan.
Thank you.
BS English, Nagina Aslam.
ये अब दोबारा आ रही है.
Bachelor of Fine Arts, Mariam Rashid.
Wait. Thank you.
BS Applied Psychology, Shanze Afzal.
Please सामने.
BS Education,
Thank you.
Adina Abbas.
Sir सामने sir. Excuse me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sajid Rahman Saab and many other distinguished guests, and above all, our registrar, deans, faculty, dear parents, proud parents, and today's stars, our graduating students. Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a pleasure for me, an honor for me to be here. I have spoken at numerous educational institutions, universities, the seats of higher learning across Pakistan, in all 4 provinces, in Gilgit-Baltistan, and internationally in Paris, in the United States, and in Belarus, and in many other countries. I had a chance to speak to students and universities and faculties. But it is indeed a special day for me. coming to a university.
आज इसीलिए खुशी का दिन है, आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए खुशी का दिन है, हम सब के लिए खुशी का दिन है। और डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपको चूँकि कामयाब देखना चाहते हैं, मुझे पता है कि आपने